Hello friends, for making waffles we will need our wet and dry ingredients and also for toppings. So let's begin with the wet ingredients. First add the butter. Make sure that the butter and the milk is warm. Then add some fresh cream and then give it a mix. And then add the baking soda, a pinch of baking soda, and next comes the baking powder, 1 plus 1/4 of baking powder, and then take a warm milk, add little by little. Now let's begin with the dry ingredients. I have taken refined maida. Don't add all of it. Add little by little so that there are no lumps in the batter. Make sure you give it a mix very well. Add some more. Add milk accordingly. Check the consistency of the batter. If you want, you can add some more milk. Mix it for a minute or two till the batter is smooth. Now you can heat the waffle maker. After 1 minute, you can pour the batter in it. You don't need to add any oil or butter because already we have added lots of butter inside. Out of this batter, 2 waffles will come out. Don't open it till 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can open and check. After 3 minutes, you can see that they are coming out golden. If you want them more crisp and golden, you can keep it for a longer time. They have come out very nicely. And now is the time for toppings. Add some fruits of your choice. I've taken some bananas and pomegranates and Hershey's chocolate syrup. If you want, you can add honey. Since I don't like honey, I am not adding it. You can use some dry fruits. I have taken crushed dry fruits. You can add whole dry fruits or crushed dry fruits or no dry fruits according to your choice. And here, your waffles are ready to be served. If you like my recipe, you can subscribe, like, share and comment and follow me for more. Thank you.